A small kitchen demands creative solutions to maximize every inch of space. In our 1,000 square foot house, the galley-style kitchen left limited options for storage, with just 36 inches between the cooktop and counter. When we renovated, we replaced the floors, appliances, and installed an IKEA kitchen. One challenge was the awkward placement of the original light switch under a cabinet. With Russ and his dad's help, we added three-way switches at each kitchen entrance for convenience. During this process, we uncovered hidden, non-code wiring, a fire hazard, that we fixed before patching up the walls. Initially, I planned to hang art on the wall near the back door, but realized it was ideal for storage. While browsing IKEA's As-Is section, I found turquoise FARDAL cabinet door panels on sale. These inspired me to create a floating pantry cabinet instead of a coat closet. Measuring 70 tall, 19 wide, and 7 deep, the cabinet is perfect for storing rice, grains, cereal, potatoes, and onions, freeing up space in our rollout pantry. To design the cabinet, I measured typical grocery items and customized the shelf spacing accordingly. I cut the blue panels for the cabinet sides, top, and door, and used 6 deep plywood for the shelves. Assembly involved pocket holes, wood glue, and careful leveling. The cabinet was mounted with metal L brackets, ensuring a clean, floating look and easy sweeping underneath. Attaching the door hinges was tricky, as I had to drill an extra hinge hole after cutting the panel. IKEA hinges made the final fit seamless. After filling the new pantry, I was amazed at how much space we saved and how functional the cabinet became. It's a simple, stylish solution for small kitchen storage challenges. We also made this really cool roll-out pantry next to the fridge, as well as these under cabinet drawers. Check out the links below for the videos on those. I hope you have been inspired by this video to create your own innovative kitchen storage. If so, let us know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks so much for watching.